everyone in YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off a microphone. So this is a microphone I'm holding in my hand. I was speaking in it, so see this little hole over here, the stick over here, and now watch. When I'm holding it, so when I do put it down, it's off. When I put it up, it's on. So that let's notice that the ring is, I don't know, because I don't even know a thing of microphones. This is my first time using my third time actually using a microphone that's black. Anyway, microphones are black, but the shinier blacks on them, I don't have no way that they're so awesome. Bye.